Mind blown chef here with the video that's gonna blow your mind. This is cooking made simple. I hope you're excited for this one. I'm gonna make a chicken salad sandwich like you've never seen before. For our first step, we're gonna just go ahead and we're gonna dice our chicken, clean it up and dice it. Let's get our pan hot, ready to go, and go back to dicing our chicken. Pan's nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drop our diced chicken in. And then we're gonna hit it with some salt and pepper, and we're gonna completely cook this. So while our chicken's cooking, salt, pepper, go ahead, bring it down to like a medium heat, and now we're gonna go ahead and work on our other ingredients. For our ingredients, we have celery, parsley, green onion, garlic powder, basil, smoked almonds, balsamic reduction, yellow onion, and grapes. So with celery, guys, we want to make it nice bite-sized because it's going to go into the chicken salad. So what I do is flip it over and have the curved side pointing towards you, half it, then come in the valley, the natural valley of the celery, and cut it right in half, and then cut those halves in half again. So now what you're left with is these nice even sticks. Then you come back and you can dice them as big or as small as you want. In this case, I want a nice little small dice because I want it to be bite-sized for the chicken salad. Just like that. Now with the green onion, just cut the base and bring a couple of them at one time and slice them through. Now our grapes, nice and washed, you're just gonna take it and just slice them in half. So the parsley, grab the stems, hold it at an angle, and bring your knife down and just kind of trim away. And then we're gonna go through and we're gonna pick through the stems, but see, you're left with that. Don't forget about your chicken. At this point, it should be done. You'll see some nice color on there. That's good flavor. Next we have our onion. Leave the stem on. The stem will hold the onion together when you do the small dices. Show you right here. Just like this. Come at it again this way. And then we slowly dice. And we want nice small dices like the celery earlier. It's okay, don't cry. Okay, for our smoked almonds, you can come at them and either chop them, or you can take some parchment paper, just kind of wrap it around the cutting board, and then take a mallet, and you can just hit them lightly, and crush them up. So now we have all our ingredients in the bowl. We're gonna go ahead, add some garlic powder, a few pinches. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, and we're gonna add some pepper. And I didn't mention in the beginning, I totally left the main ingredient out, mayonnaise. Start adding your mayonnaise. We're gonna mix all this together and we're gonna see the consistency. I'll show you what we're looking for. So we got mayonnaise mixed in here. It's about the same consistency as like a tuna salad. And at this point, taste it. See if you need to add some more salt. You may need to add more salt. Now for the next step, we're gonna prep the bread. Go ahead and put a little bit of butter in a pan and let the butter melt down. Once the butter's totally melted, sprinkle some basil in the pan, roughly the same size as whichever bread you decide to use is going to be. And I'll show you what I mean by that. We're gonna let this basil kind of toast a little bit. So now I'm gonna take my piece of bread and I'm gonna lay it right on top of where I just put that basil. We're gonna toast this one side, we're gonna take it out, and we're gonna add our another piece, and we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other piece. Once we get a nice golden brown toast, we're gonna remove it from the pan. And there you go, guys. Well, nice golden brown with the herbs toasted onto the bread. I'm gonna do the other piece exactly the same. Add a little bit of butter, add my herb, and add my other slice of bread. We got both our pieces of bread. Look at those. Yum. Now we're gonna start building our sandwich. So take our ingredients and just slowly stack. Try to be nice and even. Okay, now for our final ingredient, we're gonna take balsamic reduction And we're gonna lightly just drizzle it across the top. Just like that. Wait for it, wait for it. Ooh, listen to that crunch. You know what that chicken sandwich is? Sexy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments down below on dishes that you want to cook that we could cook together. Thanks for watching.